Went and did some other stuff. Or no, oh no, that's not it. I was able to get like the hard drive for... Okay, so the sun's shining. It was raining just a second ago. Springtime in Utah is always beautiful because this morning it was snowing, these great big white fluffy snowflakes. Wish I could have caught that, but I was out driving in my truck. And I also have this beautiful rain happening while the sun's out shining. Nothing's better. But anyway, here we are. I'm talking to you guys a little bit about it. It's been a while since I made a DDK. I've had a couple people mention it to me, like my nephew Riley, this guy, you know, and a couple others keep bugging me and saying, hey, when are you gonna make a DDK? And I figure I better make one now because I've got a bunch of stuff I've been filming. I've just been too lazy to do it. And like I said in this last video, this one, well, my birthday video, 366, you know, this one right here, it's really hard to set a goal and do something every day. And that's a challenge, is to actually do something and go out and try to make a difference, try to get something done. And the reverse of that is how easy it is to do nothing. And that's what I've been doing. It's crazy how fast you can fall right back into it. You know, I figured I'd be doing a video every other day, something, but no way. But I have been filming, and some of this stuff is going to be shown right here, right there, you know.
Smile.
It's awesome. We went to this concert. Gonna have to make a better video about it. Be a good DDK. It's coming up. Also, I finally got the footage from Japan back off of my hard drive of my old computer. So you're gonna be getting some of this never before seen Japanese footage. But anyway, I'm on my lunch break, so I'm gonna run and get my hair cut real quick. And then I just figured I had to stop in and say, what's up? So, talk to you guys a little later. Enjoy these rainy days, and hopefully spring's springing where you're at. So anyway, karma out. There was a bunch of anyways in there. Anyway, we'll see you later.